day class. So today our class is Pilosno. So maybe nagkakaroon mo by ako teacher direct. So my name is Jimon Warang Molino and I'm with graduate of National Musical Education Major in Mathematics in Northern State College. So our topic, our subject is calculus 1. So yes, the definition of calculus 1. So, siguro na naman ito na natin mga basics sa atong calculus. So, ngayon, magamit na ito ani para mas madali ni Malaysia. So, before na start sa itong discussion naman sa another class of rules. So, there are only 3 class of rules for this subject. So, first is stay polite. So, whenever I'm speaking in the front, avoid speaking your last name. And also, na may concern and question, you can raise your hand and ipatindog na kayo sa mga answer. And also, observe cleanliness. So, whenever mga plastic, ito mga sagbot, dili na ito diyan. And ang mga nikuranan, pupusan. And lastly, do your best. So, yung mga wala answer, no? Na normal na kayo ng mga class. So, answer na mo. And for our objective to begin this session also, I want one to read. Isa may mag-monitor niyo. Read sa mga yes,
identify the basic rules of integrating polynomial functions. Participate actively in solving integration of polynomial functions. The last one is perform step-by-step solution in integrating polynomial functions. Neatly answer the
So our objectives as sharing also where at the end of the lesson, I will identify the basic rules of integration. Then all of you will able to participate actively in solving integration. And then lastly, maka-perform that step-by-step solution. And to start no, gusto may maka-recall lang sa kanilang. So naman tayo itong topic ron is about integration. Gusto may maka-recall no kay siguro ay pinakaunang pala is differentiation man before the multiplication. So, di ba in the class na maka-recall about differentiation? So, you can raise your hand if you want to answer. No, you can give definition or example lang sa differentiation. Yes?
differentiation is the finding of the derivative or rate of change of function.
Yes. No, when you say differentiation nga atong ginaderive ang specific function, di ba? So, itong topic pero is integration. So, when we say that integration, from the definition itself, it is the process of finding the antiderivative of a function. So, meaning, mag-differentiate tayo sa function, we are finding the other function. So, instead of derivative, magsugod ka dito sa derive na dahil we are anti-derivative na ginapangitan na ito ang other function. Then, who can read this definition? Yes?
Differentiation breaks a function apart. Integration brings it back to its original form.
Yes, no, from the definition itself, it says that if we do integration, we will bring back the function to its original form. So the symbol for this is the integration of f of x dx. So we will tackle first of the power rule. So ngayon, natin sa may idea about the power rule. Wala ko nakakita power rule sa discussion sa differentiation. So the power rule formula is a summation of x to the power of 10 dx is equal to x n plus 1 over n plus 1 plus c. So the c here is a constant number. So step by step process. So our step 1 for finding or solving the power rule is to add 1 to the exponent. So whenever natin given, mag-add sa exponent niya of 1. Then we will divide by the exponent. Kung bilang ng value sa itong exponent, ito itong magiging mag-divide. And lastly, direct naman yung add to c, which means na constant of integration. So another example with class. So dito sa nakipakita ang solution mo. Ngayon mag-try or wala. Kung bata ko na kayo direct sa ikawan. Naman. From the formula itself, kasi nakakaibigan mo, okay naman naman ito sa man. Ang formula, okay, right? Sige, ako yung example. So we have here the integration of x squared dx. So ako siya i-write plus. So from the step-by-step solution, so first is we will add 1 to the exponent. So muna siya itong 1, muna siya itong function there. So first is we will do, i-write na ito yung exponent, then from the formula itself, kasi makata 1. Then the next step is we will divide by the exponent. Kung ang exponent niya, so 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So mag-write ang pili tayo plus C. So the final answer is x cubed over 3 plus C. So that is the final answer. No? So not like second example right? So it's like one try. So, sa to kasi yung last nito ba, name pa siya o i-palayon. So, naman dahil, coefficient, ano din coefficient rin, na tayong 3 so, makasya, kung ilang ako siya i-wow, so we will have now x cubed plus c. So, that is our final answer. So, ato lang remember nyo, kung wala pa lang nakaka-simplify atong function or given, ato lang i-continue. So, next is we will go to the sample of integration. So, minsan may volunteer makita yung sample. At apel ang word natin. The definition na mag-read. What is
Sum rule, the integral of a sum is equal to the sum of the integrals.
Next step here. So first is to separate the terms. So whenever mga one plus sum rule, then the first one after math is to separate the terms. Then next is to integrate each term. Third is to combine answers. Then lastly, mechanical C or the constant. So na example dali akong ano siya kasawa. So isa man, gusto mo answer or medyo complicated or kasi na
Complicated, sir.
so ano siya? So for example, isa ito sa mga prior answer. no, so the answer of your classmate is correct, no, but we didn't need to write resignation thing aside. So, the answer from the step-by-step process, so yun is the power rule. So, nag-add siya exponent of 1. So, 2 plus 1, nakuha niya ang x cubed. Then, for this right side, then, pinakauna na ito, separate na ng terms. So, during terms na ito, natay for x plus 1. So, the same sa exponent rule, nag-add ka of 1 sa exponent. So, we have x squared. Then, maintain the plus c or the constant. Then, ato na rin siyang i-solve. So, from the rule itself, ato mag-divide it at 3. Kung sa ating exponent, mag-divide. So, our exponent term is 3, so mag-divide at 3. Then, add the other term. No? So, atong constant is ipangilin na ito dahil sa exponent rule, mag-divide at 2 ay 2 may exponent. So, mag-divide it at 2, you have 2x squared. Then for this one, x cubed over 3 plus 2x squared plus 6. So that is the final answer. So what we need to remember is the step-by-step process. No? Kung natin mali na isa, or mamalit na isa, mamalit na na ito ang solution. So you need to study the step-by-step process and the formulas yun. So put that in mind para mas madali na maka-integrate o equation. So, ayos, marakarin mo. And, natay quiz, no? So, before na mag-quiz, so, maraguya man ang gawan. So, mag-fun na tama, mag-exercise, no? So, this exercise na is, lumahan na every time na maguyang sa silang ba, ito, fun mo lang ba, ito, student place na. So, start this time, what you will do is you will cross your two hands, no? Then hold your ears, then you will do squat form bilang basta mo ubos mo inhale mo pag itaas then so, natay, siguro ano lang, biker lang ito ang activity. So, makita mo partner mo.
It's not, sir.
Ini paper lang kayo. Explain na rin mo rin. So, mamili lang isa or kunin mo ang anin sa mga. Sige, ang sira na lang isa-isa naman nila ka-group man daw. Ano ko group? So,
Ang group 1 sir sila.
Group 1.
Sila sa 1.
So, nakanumbering ka. Kung sa itong group 1, nakaning pinakauna.
Group 1, group 2, group 3. Sige.
So, pwede ninyo makinabangan sa yung partner. Kung may pang sana, so, I will just give you 5 minutes to answer the problem now. Sa kanisa naman mo. So, pinakalaan ng karas, makinawa mo. Ano yung mga anak? Ano yung mga anak? Sa yung classmate, hindi yung mga anak.
A few moments later.
5 minutes na lang. So, nanay-representative na mag-write sila ang answer. Paano na yun? Explain na naman ang answer. So, number 1. Ano sa number 1? Okay, sir.
Go ahead.
Dari anak aku ini sama
Sir.
So the first step that we're going to do is to separate the terms.
we are done separating the term, we are going to combine the term.
Terms,
Sorry.
Sir?
So this is our final answer.
Now the last group is representative.
Done, sir.
So I think I got the correct answer to all of you. So I need to remember that this atong nakuha answer is about the function. Then atong solve is there na muna siya atong natural na. So muna itong nakuha pa mag-differentiate ta. Then for us to have the function, we will need derivation. So all of the groups naman have the correct answer. So I think naka-learn mo yan. So let's give a proper transformation. So that's all for this video. So before we end, so mag-first ata mag-take us sa Ginoo na current So Douglas na hindi na po.
Sincere